Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating a skillet over medium-high heat and adding a teaspoon of oil. This prevents sticking and crisps the tortilla. While the pan warms, combine 2 cups of shredded chicken with a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, and a squeeze of lime to brighten flavor. Once done, lay a tortilla flat, sprinkle cheese across half, add a thin layer of the chicken mix, and fold. This builds even melting and proper crunch as you start cooking. You place the folded quesadilla in the hot skillet and press lightly with a spatula. This promotes even contact and faster melting. After about 2 to 3 minutes, check the bottom. Golden brown means flip, so use a quick motion and press again. Make sure to lower heat if the exterior browns too fast because the filling needs time to warm through. This balance, medium heat and gentle pressure, keeps the tortilla crisp while the cheese becomes gooey and the chicken reheats without drying out. You transfer the quesadilla to a cutting board and let it rest for about 1 minute. This prevents the cheese from oozing and makes slicing cleaner. Slice into 4 wedges and serve with salsa, sour cream, or guacamole for contrast. If the interior is soggy or the cheese hasn't fully melted, return it to the skillet for 30 to 60 seconds per side on medium-low heat. This crisps the tortilla and finishes melting without burning. Make sure to adjust heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.